Hello. Hi. How are
Hello,
you?
doing amazing. How
Yeah,
about you?
I'm doing great too. Thank you. Finally. Yeah, it's been a
Yes,
very long time.
very.
How have you been?
I did miss you a little. I'm happy to have a conversation with you.
Yes, I'm happy too. And it's so good to see you. New haircut. And I wanted to congratulate you for the Speaker of the Month. I think, and I didn't get an
2 months back.
opportunity.
Mhm.
Yes, exactly. I think it's been a very long time. I was busy, then I had taken break, and then I'm not able to. Our timings are were not
Mm.
matching, so all those things. So
Oh,
yes,
very well.
congratulations for the Speaker of the Month. You're looking good in
Thank
this new
you.
haircut, and
Thank you.
congratulations for YouTube.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Yes.
Very well. I'm very happy that you remembered all these things and all the things you
Yes.
promised me. That Jill, when I am on the I'm on the session with you, I'm going to congratulate you personally. I did read your comment. So,
Yes.
oh,
Yes.
no, thank you so much. It's really great to have you back because I've had a lot of sessions with you, and they were really good. So, yeah, of course, it's nice.
Yes,
Very well. How have
even
you
my
been?
viewers were asking me, like, when will you have next conversation with Zeal? Please make a conversation and upload a video. And I was like, yes. I'm also waiting for that day. Let's just hope it will come soon. So, yes, yeah.
Yeah, hello to Arushi's viewers, and thank you so much for making me feel special.
Yeah, you are.
Very well. How have you been? How are your sessions going? You told me you took a break, so after did the break affect your English or no? You've been good and consistent.
I tried to be consistent, uh, like without Clapingo also. I'm doing my practice every day, like what I do other than Clapingo. But how it is, like my English, you will decide by end of the session. And yeah, that's it. Yeah.
With you, the problems are not too major. They can be fixed, and there are those same tiny errors here and there, and it's just
Yes.
for you to get to
Yes.
the
Yes.
next stage. So, yeah, we'll discuss at the end of the session. Very well.
Yeah.
First,
Sure.
tell me about Holi. Are you going to celebrate?
Holi. Okay, so yeah, today's a festival that is Holi, and yeah, like puja and all. We're done with that, but I don't like playing Holi with the colors, like lot of colors. I like very minor colors which are natural and
Mhm.
maybe water, but I don't like that uh, horrible, colorful Holi. Like you have to smug the color on your face and all.
Mm.
How about you?
I
Like
love
what? How
watching.
is Holi? Mm-hmm.
I love
Oh,
watching videos. I will see like everybody's videos, like smearing color on each other, or they keep throwing a lot of tomatoes and I don't know what not they play with, and permanent colors, and
yeah.
everybody looks like a colorful ghost. So it's fun to watch that too. But I will not play like no, I won't play Holi. I love playing with water actually. So when I was younger, I used to play with water and colors a bit. But as I grew older, I said, no, I don't want to. I don't want to play. And also, all my friends don't really stay here. Hello,
Hello.
I can hear you. Hello, yeah,
I can hear you. Can you?
uh, yes. So all my friends don't really stay here. There's I have nobody to play with. Like not too many people.
Okay. Okay. Then fair enough. Like you
Mm,
need your own people to play Holi with. You cannot play with everyone. So
mm,
yeah.
mm. Very
And
well.
I think natural colors. We should just play with natural colors and water, and we should not apply that harsh colors on
Mm.
faces or on any animals. So yeah.
I will celebrate it with paints, I will like do something colorful with paints because I love painting. That's it. That's my Holi.
Okay, so yeah, holy with different flavor like paints. Yes, it's so colorful.
Very well. Okay, what
Yeah.
are some tiny things that stress you out? Like something that shouldn't, but silly things that stress you out too much.
Mm-mm-mm. When okay, it is not related to me. It is related to someone else. Like when I give time to someone, or if when the other person is not punctual, it's annoying and it irritates me. I don't think it's tiny. It's important. Maybe it's tiny for the other person, but for me, it's too important. When I am punctual, you should be. So yeah,
Correct.
that's the one thing annoys me a lot. And again, like if we have planned something and like something very important and someone just back out or
Backs
changes
out.
their
Hmm.
backs out, yeah, or changes their mood,
Hmm.
that time I feel so irritated. And I because it results to the like spoil the plan or something like that, or
It results
something
in
different.
a spoiler.
It results in spoiler.
We don't really say that movie spoilers we use, but
Yeah,
yeah, you can say more of it. It results in the plan getting crushed.
yeah, like something like that. The plan will not turn out well. So yeah, these things are
Mhm. These things are a bit frustrating.
a bit frustrating, annoying, or spoil my mood or upset me sometimes. So yeah.
Okay, very well. For me, it's very silly things, so like somebody taking away, like my brother's taking away my the TV remote when I'm watching something very interesting. Like I just want to watch it, and they keep changing the channel. I get irritated. I'm like, no, don't stress me out. Or the
Yeah.
internet disruptions. That is one thing I have like no patience. I just want the internet to be really good.
Yeah, for patient, like impatient is yes, I am very impatient, and yes, I do also irritate when like internet connections or interruptions or the site is not working. Site is not working or or it will ask you to wait, or like YouTube when you get that ad, you're watching something very interesting, very important with concentration, and you get ad, and you like, and I'm like, when the 5 seconds will pass and I can skip the ad. So yeah, that that much impatient I am. Yes,
Okay.
agree.
It just stresses me out especially when I have sessions and there's like no internet and I'm like, oh, time is running out. Please, internet work, work, work. So it's just that.
Yeah, so basically you should be patient, but you're not. I mean, we
I
are
will try.
not, of course.
In some
No,
matters,
I'm
yes.
just giving you the yeah concept. Like a person should be patient, but they are not, and that's the reason they are stressing themselves out.
Correct.
Yeah,
Very
right.
well.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Would you ever get your biography written if you had the chance, if you
Oh,
like became like a famous person or something?
of course, why not? I mean, who would not like to? I know it's a very big thing to say, but I just love the idea, and yeah, why not? I mean, of course, I would like to.
Oh, very well. What do you think
Yeah.
it would feel like? Like, people reading stories from your life. How would you like to inspire them? Would you want it to be more of motivational, or would you want it to be like funny and things like that? How do you want it to be?
Mm, I want it to be more funny than motivational,
Mhm.
because I think you should not take everything very seriously. It's a life.
Mhm.
Enjoy it. Uh, like do hard work, learn from it, make mistakes, everything, but enjoy. The important thing is that you should enjoy whatever you're doing. You should not keep thinking about the one thing. Okay, I have to do this. What about your life? You will keep thinking about, you will keep thinking for the rest of your life, and you will not be able to enjoy your life. This is the one time opportunity and you should grab it. So I think, yeah, fun,
Those
enjoy.
lines.
I think I would like, yeah, I would like someone to write more about this. Someone, yeah,
I would like someone to work on those lines. Okay, that means
yeah,
something close to
work
it.
on.
Those lines.
Yes.
Okay, what is an important lesson that you learned very recently in life?
Important lesson. You should be optimistic.
Very good.
I mean, I think it is like very basic, and you should. Everyone know this, but knowing is
Everyone
a
knows
different thing,
this.
and
Mhm.
actually, yeah, everyone knows this, but I think knowing is a different thing. But actually, implementing that thing in your personal or day-to-day life is something really very important. I'm still trying, and I'm trying to. Yeah, I'm still trying
Hmm.
to
Very
be
well.
optimistic.
That is true, actually. Some days we are able to do it, but consistency with these things is something really
Yes.
hard. And
Yeah.
especially in the time of adversity, you just that's like the real test. Like all the knowledge that you have, all the wisdom that you gain from books and people, is that really working or not? Like you get to know when you're tested, I feel.
Exactly. And I think nowadays I always have to keep reminding myself that no, no bad things, just positive. What is good in this? What is good in this? So I think it's still going on with me, and yeah, it is very difficult. I can say it is very difficult. Being being consistent is very difficult,
Very well. You can
as
also
you said.
say that I like to focus on the bright side of life. Okay, that means the sunny side, the good side.
Yes, I like to focus on the bright side of the life.
Do you believe you lived a past life?
Lived past life.
Yeah, that means do you think that you were on earth in your previous birth? Do you believe in previous births?
Oh, okay. No, I don't. I mean, I don't. And I think, how does it relate to this life? And I mean, no, I never thought about that. I don't know why. Maybe I will think about the next. Maybe I think about the next life, but past life, no, I never.
Hmm. When I see some kids who are super talented, right? Like,
Mm-hmm.
they have extraordinary talents when they're like 2 and 3 years old. Sometimes I feel like, oh, maybe it's like a connection with their past life. Where are they getting all this knowledge and talent from? Sometimes it just makes me think.
Okay, yeah, like when, especially when you compare, like when I was in this age, I was doing nothing kind of things. Like the the kid is too smart for his age, right?
Yes, like yeah, like at 2 and 3 years old, some people are like some kids can speak languages so fluently, or they can do math
Ah,
so
yeah.
well. And I say, I could barely like run and walk. So
Yeah, exactly. Yes, yes, I can relate to it now.
yeah, that those moments I just think for fun. Okay,
Yeah, it
very well.
happens.
So one, two or three grammatical mistakes. I'm doing my
Mm-hmm.
practice. I'm practicing. Make your sentences
I'm
more simple.
practicing.
That's it. Okay, why I'm doing my
Yeah,
practice. When you
yes, I'm
get ad,
practicing.
when
Yeah.
you get an ad, so articles in a few places you're missing, even though you miss somewhere. So and the you have to brush up. Thinking about the one thing, thinking about that thing, okay, or thinking only about one thing, something like that. But there's something off about this sentence. So I would
Mm-hmm.
say that brushing up of sentence structure just at least for one week would be required. Maybe it's because you're still still didn't have a touch for a while, so just brush up with the sentence structure a little more, and otherwise good
Yeah,
to
yeah,
go.
yeah.
Yeah, there's no such super, big mistake. What you could also do is that you could learn how to speak in a more polite way. Since you're already polite, add more words of sorry, thank you, and please. In English, these three words are called the golden words, and I personally like to
Yeah.
stress on them a lot. So you could say that, please could you repeat? Thank you for this. Even if you're going at the to the grocery store and you take something, thank you, sorry, please. Like, keep integrating this, because see, you're already a polite person. When somebody is actually very polite, I suggest this more to them, because it goes with their personality. It doesn't look like something that you're faking, or something that's unnatural. So you could add all of these to make it appear more impressive, to be more polite, and have that really sweetness to your speech. It will go with you.
Yeah, sure, sure. Yeah, I
Okay.
will add.
Yeah, I'm sure you already do that. But when you do that, when you do more of it in English, when you keep using these things, it's much better. It's
Mm-hmm.
better for you at work. If not, you can't keep
Yes, I
telling your
think.
friends
Mm-hmm.
all the time, because they will think you're
Mm-hmm.
crazy, and they will feel that something's off about you. But at
Yeah,
work,
yeah, right.
continue doing that. Keep greeting people all the time, even when you're leaving from work or something. Say thank you. Thank you, and leave. Don't just like come go. No, you have to have the habit of greeting. Hello, like how you greet me on the platform. Same with anybody you meet. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever it is, and that those things are very, very important. So integrated, simple things, but they matter a lot. you know so that
Yes. Yeah.